Hey guys,
I'm Bob.
and I'm Barb, and together we make up
HetteshWorld.
Today is a very special day, a momentous day for us. Today we
Went over 100 subscribers.
Yay! We're so excited. We started this journey
Yep.
to really document what we were doing and how we're doing for our kids, for our family, our close friends. We had no idea that we might actually pick up regular people. So this is exciting for us. So thank you very much. We are working on trying to get out some more Can-Am videos. We're going to be having a truck purchase video coming up here. There's going to be the RV purchase and RV updates coming up, and there's also going to be an update on the truck, and then we've got some Can-Am rides.
Yep.
And we've actually been at 2 parks, so we need to have 2 park reviews. So we have been steadily working on organizing it and getting everything ready for this new life and journey, and we are going to take you with us.
I just wanted to say I wanted to thank everybody for the 100 subscribers plus, and then also all the wonderful comments we have received from everybody.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really awesome. We love the positive feedback, and if you see something negative, you want to say something, we're welcome to everything. And but we just wanted to make this video. Thanks for everybody's time and attention.
So definitely, if you're seeing this and you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe.
That's right.
Because we're it now. You're going to want to definitely smash up that like button.
Yep.
You're going to want to share it with everybody you know and say, oh my God, you got to check these guys out. They're totally awesome.
Yeah.
No, seriously, thank you guys again. And remember that we are HetteshWorld, so come travel
in our world.